Hi friends, today I'll show you 2 braid hacks that you can use in order to make a good braid that will not bother you all day long and will not slide. So basically I'm showing how to not make your braid. This is our classic 3-strand braid. I'm sure everyone can make it, but unfortunately it slides and unravels during the day, especially if your hair is thin or straight. So for our first braid hack, we want to select our front sections from both sides of our parting. Make sure these are big sections of hair. Leave them in the front, and with the rest we want to make a low ponytail. You can use the tail of your comb to smooth out your crown section. Now you want to select your 2 front sections. Make sure they are nice and detangled. If you want, you can lightly twist it away from your face. You bring them back, crisscross them over your ponytail, and then incorporating the ponytail, you want to make a 3-strand braid like I'm showing. Make sure to tie the ends with a clear elastic and pull a little bit your braid to make it fuller and voluminous if needed, of course. For our second hack, we'll select our top hair, brush it well so you make sure it's nice and smooth. Tie it with a clear elastic. Make an opening, bring your ponytail through this opening, and you want to twist your construction and bring your underneath section through this opening like I'm showing. Grabbing your top section, divide it into 2, incorporate beneath the section, and create a 3-strand braid again. Tie the ends, of course, with a clear elastic, and our second braid hack is revealed. Guys, let me know in comments down below which hair hack you like the most and you'll use it for your everyday braid. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the Hairstyles channel for more. But that's it for today, and I love you so much and see you soon in my next video. Bye!